Okay. Oh, wow. Here we go. Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video. We are unboxing a subscription box that we are really excited about. I love CBD. I've taken it for years, so is my husband. We are pro cannabis users, and we love CBD specifically for just our mood, emotions, just for calm overall. But we also give it to Frankie, and we have seen really good positive things from giving it to her too, so we're excited. They have 3 different versions of this box. There is a wellness box, which focuses on like tinctures and pain and inflammation types of things like that. And then there's an explorer box, which is a little bit more fun. You might get like bath bombs or different types of fun products with CBD. Where are you going? You want more treats? Okay, come back up here. Come. And then they have this Furry Friends Box. So it has some treats for her and for me. And that is why I'm so excited, because it's like a box for both of us. Come back up here. Come on. Lay down. Good girl. Here's one right here. So I have not opened this yet. We're going to just jump right into it. Hemp Crate Co. Is just overall what I'm finding is a really cool brand. They're like down to earth. They have really good branding. This came fast. They have options. And they're all about like educating you, making it more affordable to try different CBD products, and to try more things. Like I think CBD is just so much more mainstream now, and it makes me so happy. There are so many benefits from hemp, and I love sharing about it. So this is fun. I haven't opened this yet. Let's see. Okay, there's some stickers. Friends don't let friends buy their CBD at gas stations. It's really funny. Might put that somewhere. Here's a sticker, Frank. You're doing good. Do you smell treats in here? There's something like itching me. Another sticker, Hemp Crate Co. Summer Vibes. Stan the Van. That's really cute. Coaster, it looks like. Hemp Crate Co. See, branding is just super cute. I'm all about all of this. CBD and pets. So a little information thing about using CBD with pets, because I think this is for cats and dogs both. You're so cute. Here. Okay, so this says the different benefits: anxiety, anti-inflammatory, seizures, and nausea. Oh, nausea I really haven't seen talked about like much with pets, so that's really cool. It says through proper dosing, CBD has been shown to reduce vomiting and nausea among pets. I like that. Frankie poodles have upset stomachs. They have sensitive stomachs, so she does throw up once a week or once every other week. Seizures is a huge thing. We have never dealt with that personally, but I have seen so many good stories about CBD helping with that, which is just so cool, and like hurts my heart to think that dogs have to go through that. But anyways, anti-inflammatory, that's a major reason that we use it as people, as adults, and anxiety as well. So it helps in some similar ways and some different, but let's see what's in the box. Ooh, a big bag of Dope Dog peanut butter recipe calming crunchies, hemp oil treats. Do you smell that? Does that smell so good? So this is supportive formula. It says for separation anxiety, joint pain, epilepsy, pain and aging, and inflammation. So it says the ingredients, suggested serving, which is really cool, because I think that's what a lot of people struggle with, and they really honestly just don't take enough, and they're like, well, CBD doesn't work for me. Like, you didn't take enough. It works. But 1 mg for every 10 pounds of dog weight. Is that what I'm familiar with? That seems a little, nah, that's like on the lower end. So yeah. Do you have something itching me? Babies. You want one of these? Repeat every 4 to 8 hours as needed, and then each treat contains 6 mg. Whoa, so that's a pretty strong little treat, I feel like. Oh, maybe I'll start with half. Oh, they're big. So this is the little treat. Whoops. It's cute. A little bone. Do you want to try one of these? Do you like it? Does it smell good? Oh, let's break it in half. Can I have half now and half later? Is that good? Stay here. She's like, can I take this somewhere and throw it around and play with it? Here, eat that. It's good. It smells good. So that was a little treat. Let's set that there. Okay, next, oh, this is cool. This is a little shampoo. So it's Dope Dog again, the brand, and it's Soothing Suds Pet Shampoo, lavender and oatmeal, has aloe, vitamin E, and 100 mg of CBD. So hemp oil and CBD oil is really good on your skin, as well as like anti-inflammatory and super hydrating and rich in different things. So it's supportive for skin. So that's why they have it in this. It says promotes healthy skin and coat, soothes dryness, supports sensitive skin, reduces inflammation, and it's naturally antibacterial. So there's that. We take Frankie to the groomer, and I don't know, we haven't really asked if we could bring our own products, but I'm sure she wouldn't mind. Has jojoba oil, soy protein, lavender oil, marjoram, vitamin E. This looks really good. I'm going to smell it. Does it smell like lavender? Did you like that treat? She liked those. And Frankie's very picky with treats too. I don't know, I forgot to mention that. That's important, because some dogs are, and some dogs will just eat anything. This smells so good. I want to use it on my own hair. I don't see why I couldn't. Oh my gosh. Do you like that? Oh, she doesn't like that. What is this experiment, Mom? Okay, I'm sorry. Come back. Come back. There's more. Okay. Oh, bacon flavor. This is an oil or tincture. It's a full spectrum CBD oil for cats and dogs. Bacon flavor. That's cool. That is like one of the things with oils and tinctures. She's picky. She can smell it right away and doesn't like it. Come back up here. Come. Good girl. Here you go. So this is cool. Maybe bacon flavor will really just make her like oil, because I'd like put it in some peanut butter usually, because she doesn't like it. But you can just drop this on food. She's running away. You don't like it already? But you can just drop it in or mix it with food too. I think it does reduce the effects if they're eating it like with a full meal, so make sure it's a smaller treat that you're giving it to them with. But this is really cool. And it has the dosage too on the back. When you're using any CBD product, just make sure that it's third-party tested for quality. First of all, you want to make sure there's no added ingredients that you don't want. Things like fillers and like brands just get away with like cutting corners and making things cheaper and producing them quicker by just adding crap to it. So just make sure, same with essential oils, make sure they're third-party tested. And this is coupon code. Why are you itching? What did you get into? Okay, next. Drift CBD infused honey sticks. I love these. I first tried these a couple years ago. Just mix them in with tea or eat it raw, plain, regular. I love these. This one is strawberry and cream, cinnamon roll, and black cherry. Those sound delish. This is Drift CBD, and it has, the different benefits too. There's 16 different flavors, low cost per stick. You can scan, to see the lab result, what I was just talking about, a cute little QR code. And then you have to come back up here. Come on. Come. Cheater. So for your mind, anxiety, stress relief, depression, PTSD, OCD helps you relax. And then for body, so it's just like a full like spectrum of things that it helps with, and that's why CBD hemp is so amazing. That's why we love it. But for body, so for like physical help, it's pain relief, sore muscles, nausea, helps you sleep, inflammation, and seizures. So similar to dogs too. So that was a little treat for us. What is this? Marijuana nuts, CBD infused peanut butter. Yum. Is this for you or me? Because I want this. It doesn't say, so I'm going to assume it's for me or for humans. Marijuana nuts. I'll look though just to make sure, but this is 100 milligrams of CBD, so that's a lot. So you could just definitely put a little drop of it, or put some on toast. Use it like a teaspoon, like regular. It's 2 tablespoons is the serving size. So use it like regular peanut butter, but that's cool. A little pack of that. There's a lot in here. There's 2 more things, I think. This is a Hemp Crate Co lip balm. So it has sunflower seed, beeswax, EVOO. Flavor, it says hemp seed oil, rosemary, vitamin E, and aloe vera. We make a lot of our own lip balm in like just different kits and DIY things, but this is very similar to what we use just to make our own. And fall and winter dry lip season is among us, so let's be real, we all need that. Then this is really cool. This is a CBD balm for pets, and it's 50 milligrams of CBD. It's clean, no pesticides, non-GMO, lab tested, organic, no solvents. But this is cool because she sometimes will get like a dry paw or a cut somewhere, and I do have a balm that's in this jar, and it's just kind of inconvenient and like not the best to work with and use. So a stick like this is going to be super helpful. I love that. Let me see if it smells like anything. 0 THC, broad spectrum. No, doesn't smell like much at all. So here is that little stick. That's really cool. I love this, especially for travel. Like we go to the lake or dog park or beach or anywhere. That's really going to be convenient. Okay, cool. I love this. We got a lot of things. And I'll put the prices in the 3 different options for boxes again in the description. Do you want to come back up here, Frankie? Come here. Come. You're not cooperating very well today. Okay, there. Good girl. But I'll put the prices and all the extra info down below. I do have a coupon code. It's Torey20, I believe. I'll put it right here and in the description so that you guys can see. This smells so good. I'm really excited about all of this. I'll try this bacon oil and let you know if she likes it. She's just really picky with that. The treats she already liked. That was cool. I love the stickers. I like this box. It's really just a fun way to try different products. And if you don't have a furry friend, you can just get the Explorer box or the Wellness box and just try some things for yourself. But if you haven't tried CBD, you should. There are so many benefits. Let me know if you have any questions specifically on safety and usage and like how I use it. I think the biggest thing is using the correct dosage, like enough of it, and using it regularly. It's a kind of like a preventative thing on top of like getting the benefits from what you need specifically. All about homeostasis, right? So I can't wait to try the rest of the things. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I like to do videos with Frankie. She usually cooperates better. She's like busy today. She's not having it. But we do Aussiedoodle essential oils, natural living, cleaning, all the things. Yeah, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.